Welcome back, babes. Today I am doing a summer vibes makeup. I wanted to get in one really summery look before summer's over. I can't believe summer's almost over. This look is about golden goddess bronziness, but in this look I'm showing you guys two different lip options. So you can either go for this beautiful, gorgeous, bright, bold red, or this nude glossy lip. Once you switch up the lip, it completely changes the entire look. This look is so easy. You can do it in minutes, I promise you. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any videos from me. And let's get into this golden goddess summer vibes makeup. Alright, so I've already gone ahead and done my base. I'm gonna get right into the eyes. So what really inspired this look is I've been getting a ton of new products lately. I got these new eyeshadow, what are these called? These are Dazzleshadow liquid from MAC. Look how beautiful these are, you guys. They're like shimmery and glittery, and I just knew that I wanted to create a look with them. And then I also got this from Hourglass. This is their scattered light glitter eyeshadow foil. Look how beautiful that is. So I was like, I need to do this. Plus it's perfect for summer. This is gonna be the easiest look ever. I'm starting off with the Hourglass foil. So this is like so pigmented. I barely touched it. And it has so much pigment, which is amazing. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. This is gonna be like the ultimate shimmery, glittery eye. I think for this product, just use your finger. It's like the perfect thing to use because you want just a little bit of warmth to pick up the product. And I'm just keeping that on my lid. I'm not bringing it up too high. That's so gorgeous. I can literally leave it just like that, but I'm not going to because I want to use all of these products together. But this is so pretty. You know, I love that we have glitter products now that are not like crazy harsh glitter like we used to back in the day that are like big chunks of glitter. Now we have these beautiful shimmery shadows that are just so much more wearable, but just take your look to a whole other level. To slightly contour my eye, I'm taking just a bronzer. This one is from BH Cosmetics. I've been using this bronzer a lot lately, and just really gently contouring on top of, why am I saying contouring? I guess it's contouring. Applying this on top of where we applied the gold foil. Not going over it, but just adding a little bit of dimension. Keeping this mainly in the crease and then blending it out. That looks really beautiful. Let's give these MAC Dazzle Shadows a go. So I'm gonna go with the more coppery bronze color. This is called Blinking Brilliant. I've never tried these. This is my first time. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see how this looks. Ooh. Oh my god, not that we weren't like dazzled already. This is just gonna take it up a notch. I like that this color is a little bit deeper than the first color we applied. That is so pretty, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, can you guys see the difference? If you're getting like a live reaction from me. I definitely make a lot of noises when I try new products that I love. Okay, so you definitely could see the difference. This has more of a bronzy tint. They're both super shimmery. I like that this one looks like a little bit more liquidy kind of. So I'm going to leave it like that, and then I'm going to take the second shade. This is Everyday Sunshine, and add this more in this area. Oh, yes. Oh my god, you guys, that's gorgeous. I'm gonna take that same bronzer and just sweep a little bit underneath. Let's throw on lashes. I'm using these ones from Ardell. They are the Faux Mink 817. I love these lashes on. They look so pretty. When you have any type of shadow that's kind of like creamy or liquidy like this, when you're curling your lashes, be careful. Try not to touch the shadow if you can. I feel like I always have to curl my lashes because my lashes are pretty straight. But if you have curly lashes, I would just skip that step so you don't have to risk ruining your shadow. A little bit of mascara before I put the falsies on. Oh, I love it. Also, I really love using this eyelash thing. I don't even know what it's called. It's from Ardell. I think I got it in the set. You know, you can get the set of lashes with the glue and the applicator. This thing actually really helps. And I never used to be like a fan of like using the type of things, but this one in particular, this bigger size, I don't know, it just really helps just like plop the lashes right on. And then you can use the rubber side just to kind of push everything up. And they usually fit perfectly. I want the skin to be super bronzy for this look, so I'm using the AAliyah MAC Collection bronzer. This one is called Baby Girl. I'm pretty sure you can't get this anymore. I think it was just for a limited time period, but it is a really pretty bronzer. It has a little bit of shimmer to it. And I'm just gonna apply this all over. I'm gonna show you guys two lip options for this look because I think you can really switch it up and have a dramatic difference by switching up the lip color. But first, a little bit of blush, and I'm using one of my favorite blushes. It's these brand new Lash Paradise. Is that what it's called? No, Paradise, Lash Paradise. I'm just making stuff up now. Paradise Enchanted Scented Blush. I didn't even know it was scented. Oh my God, it smells so good. Scented blush from L'Oreal. So the cool thing is that on the bottom of the compact, it has a mirror, so you can use that if you're out. The color that I'm using is 191 Fantastical, and it's this beautiful peach, which like, look at that against the eye color. Just so pretty. To highlight, I'm using these brand new highlighters from Natasha Denona. These are the Super Glow highlighters. They look amazing. I haven't tried them yet. I'm gonna try them for the first time right now, but they look really pretty. The shade that I'm going to, oh my God, you guys. It literally just broke and fell all over my foot and all over the carpet. I don't even know what to do right now because I can't really move. Okay, well, I guess I can't use that. How did that even happen? Okay, it's not happening with this one. I guess I'm using this one, but let me fix the situation first. I'll be right back. Okay, I can't even explain to you guys the mess that made. It was not good, but I have another highlighter. So I had 3 highlighters from Natasha Denona. I'm gonna open this up very carefully. It's the same thing, it's cracked. Look, it just happened again. You guys, I don't know if this is like a thing with these highlighters. If anybody knows, let me know, but I'm so glad I caught that before it ruined my carpet even more. I'm gonna test out this one color that I have. It's 01 Fair. This is not the color I would normally use on myself, but let's just do it because after all that trouble, let's see if this highlighter is worth it. Oh, don't get me wrong, I love Natasha Denona's eyeshadows and stuff, and I've never seen that happen, so maybe that was just a one-off, but if it's happened to you guys, please let me know. So let's highlight the face. I personally don't love using pale highlighters on myself. Just don't think it looks as pretty. I like something a little bit warmer. So this is a bit icier than what I would normally wear, but we're just gonna go with it. I recently got these brand new lip colors from Persona Cosmetics. These are so beautiful on. I love the textures. I actually got a third color that's kind of like a pinky tone, but I'm gonna start with the nude. This is called OG, and this is a matte. And if you do like a nude glossy lip with this look, it's gonna look beautiful. I love that this nude is like a very warm nude. It has kind of a peach undertone to it, and you guys can see the applicator. It has a really cool shape, so you kind of, it just curves the shape of your lip. Okay, so I love that nude, and then over that I want to apply like a really bronzy shimmery gloss. So NARS came out with these gorgeous super bronzy highlighty coppery metallic lip glosses. This color is called Cape Town. Let's see how this looks. I like that, and then over that I'm just applying a shimmery gloss. This is also from the MAC AAliyah collection, and it's just like a nude champagne color. So this is the nude lip option. I think this is such a beautiful golden goddess vibe look. You could definitely leave it like this, or you can switch it up. It's time for lip option number 2. This is also from Persona Cosmetics. This is the color Holy Grail. It is a beautiful matte red. I wore this the other day and I fell in love with it because it was just so comfortable to wear, and it's such a pretty, I love it. It's such a pretty red. No lip liner needed. This applicator makes it super easy to get like the perfect shape without even using a lip liner. I love that it dries completely matte, and it dries matte pretty instantly. Taking a little brush and some concealer on the back of my hand and just using this to clean up in case you guys couldn't understand what I was saying. That is lip option number 2. So you guys could see it completely transforms the look. I love them both. I think they're both super fun. So play around, go with whichever one you feel more comfortable with, but I'd actually love to know which one is your favorite, the nude lip or the bold red lip. Or do you love them both? Let me know in the comments. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any videos. You can add me on Instagram at Eman, and of course all the products that I used today will be listed in the description box, so make sure you check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy summer makeup tutorial that gives you a big bang for your buck. Like, very little effort, but you're gonna get a lot of, I don't know, summery vibes. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.